Today's video is about optimal position of a new site in Voronoi diagram. The optimal position of a new site is one of the vertices which has the largest distance from its nearest site. This kind of problem also called the largest empty circle problem. So the best position for a new site is in the vertex, which has the largest empty circle. Empty circle means no sites inside this circle. Example, we want to add a new site to this Voronoi diagram. Which position is the best one? We need to draw the circle. The center will be each vertex, so that we will figure out the largest empty circle. Then that vertex will be the optimal position of a new site. I made the following circle. Vertex is the center. The radius will be the distance between vertex to the nearest site. Then you can compare each circle. You could say this is the largest circle. Inside of this circle, there's no sites. That's why we call this is the largest empty circle problem. Therefore, this vertex W will be the best position to a new site. In other words, if you want to build a new site, you need to build on the vertex W. Go to example. The Voronoi diagram shows the location of 5 towns. In a rural area, a rubbish dump is to be established somewhere in the region so that it is as far as possible from the nearest town. Where should be rubbish dump be established? In this Voronoi diagram, there are 3 vertices. Let's label as P, Q, R. We need to figure out the radius for each circle centered by each vertex. So for the R1, we can get absolute value of PQ, which means square root 8 minus negative 16 square plus 2 minus negative 14 square. So we put into calculator 28.8 kilometers. For the R2, you will get the absolute value of QB. Also choose QE. It's the same distance. I choose B. So you will get 48 minus 20 square plus 26 minus 10 square equals 32.2 kilometers. For radian 3 equals absolute value RA. Use the formula of distance. You will get 40 minus 20 square plus 50 minus 30 square equals 28.3 kilometers. since R2 has the largest reading. Therefore, the rubbish dump will be built on the vertex 2010. How far is the dump from the nearest town? It's 32.2 kilometers. Say which towns are closest to the dump. It will be E, C, and B. At D, a proposed location for the dump is 25 or 15. Show by direct calculation that the location you found in A is preferable, since the distance between the proposed location to B is 25 minus 48 square plus 15 minus 26 square equals 25.5 kilometers. This distance less than 32.2. So A is preferable. Now let's do another example. Find the coordinates of a missing site X in each Voronoi diagram. So for the missing site X, we need to check each edge. Each edge is the perpendicular bisect line between two sides. Since this edge will be between two sides C and X, so X must be in this cell. Then check the slope for this edge. That is, let me choose 2 points. Then go down 1, right 1. So rise over run, you could say the slope to this edge is -1. Therefore, for this perpendicular line, passing through C will be 1 over 1. So I will draw right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1. You try to get the same distance. Therefore, this will be the perpendicular bisect line passing through C, and this is the same distance. Therefore, the coordinate for X will be 0, -1. One more example. These Voronoi diagrams are missing an edge. Complete each diagram and find the equation of each missing edge. Give your equation in the form AX plus BY plus D equal to 0 form. The missing edge will be between A and C. Therefore, you just need to connect the vertex. It's here. Remember, all the edges must be passing through two vertices. Therefore, when you draw the missing edge, make sure find the vertex so that you can connect to form the edge. The missing edge is passing through the vertices 0, 1, and -1, 3. Use these 2 points to find the equation. You can check the slope, that is rise over run. Negative 2 over 1. So slope is a negative 2. X1, Y1, let me use 0, 1. So you will get the y minus 1 equals negative 2 x minus 0. That's negative 2x. Y minus 1 equals negative 2x. Since I need this form, therefore, cross negative 2 to the left side, you will get the 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Then this will be the equation we are looking for.